Welcome to all. In this learning tutorial, this is our first learning tutorial about trends. In this session, we will cover these 5 topics in one tutorial. After this session, you don't need to go in other video to learn trend identification. We hope that this tutorial will benefit for all traders. Please watch complete session, because half knowledge is very dangerous. Let's get start learning. A trend is prices to move in a particular direction over a period known as trend. Trends may be long-term, short-term, upward, downward and even sideways. To become profitable trader you have to identify trend. Let me explain you. If a market is moving in one direction, whether up or down, that will be our trend. And professional traders also follow trend. That's why only 10% traders are in profit. Let's see one example of trend. This is CHF-JPY chart, which is in daily time frame. We can see here, price moving in a particular direction over a period. Don't worry, we will also learn about these swing high and low. In this session you will get complete knowledge. Trend plays a vital role in every trader's life because it helps to identify early entry and exit from the market, whether it's forex or stock. Generally, there are 3 types of trend given below. Uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. It means that we can plan our early trades with help of trend. An uptrend is formed when stock price rising in value. Several traders take advantage of an uptrend and enter a long position to reach high level of price. If price increases and reduces and then again rise, so price is facing an upward trend since it is evidenced as higher highs and higher lows in price. It means that if price makes higher highs and higher lows in price, that will be uptrend. Don't worry, we also explain concept of higher highs and higher lows in next slide. A downtrend is formed when stock price fall in value. Several traders take advantage of a downtrend and enter a short position. If price decreases and increases and then again falls, so price is facing downtrend since it is evidenced as lower highs and lower lows in price. Let's understand uptrend and downtrend practically. In this slide we will learn uptrend and reversal of trend deep. See here, this is high and low. This is higher high because this high above than previous high. This is higher low because this low above than previous low. This is our swing high. And this is our swing low. And trend is incomplete without swing. Now let's see higher highs and higher lows. This is our major trend. Now let's see minor trend. In minor trend you will see small up and down trend both. See this small down trend. Now this small uptrend. We hope you understand uptrend with major and minor trend. Now you will learn trend reversal. This is a higher low. If market break this higher low, so trend is going to be changed. Now market will make lower highs and lower lows. We can see here major down trend. Now we will see minor down trend. You can see this as minor down trend. This is perfect uptrend with swing highs and lows. If market is making small downtrend after breaking its previous higher high, so don't assume that trend is changed now. Market has to break this higher low. After breaking this higher low, trend can be changed. We hope you all learned uptrend identification and trend reversal. Let's see live example in next slide. This is Euro USD daily time frame chart. We can see here a perfect uptrend with swing highs and lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high. higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now market didn't make higher high, and made double top. This is a perfect one-way up direction. Now let's see minor trend. We hope you all understand uptrend with major and minor trend with swing knowledge. Let's see example of trend reversal. If market break this higher low, so trend can be changed, up to down trend. Market has broken its higher low. Now it will make lower low and lower highs. Now see the whole trend is changed. And market continuing its downtrend. In this slide we also talk about downtrend, but let's see deep about downtrend and reversal of trend. This is low and high. It's a lower low because this low below than previous low. Now lower high because this high below than previous high. See lower lows and lower highs. This is our major trend. Now let's see minor trend. Now let's see trend reversal. As we can see, downtrend was going on with swing low and highs. If market break this lower high, so trend can be changed. After breaking this lower high, the market will make higher highs and higher lows. You can also see here, minor trend with major trend. We hope you all learn about downtrend and reversal of trend with swings. Let's see a live example in next slide. We can see here a perfect downtrend with swings. Now let's see minor trend, which we learned in previous slide. Now we will see trend reversal example down to uptrend. If market break this lower high, so trend may change. Now market has broken its lower high, and making now higher high and higher low. We hope you all learned about downtrend and reversal of trend with swings. In next slide we will learn sideways trend. A sideways trend is flat price movement and their supply and demand are nearly equal. This typically occurs during a period of consolidation before the price continues a prior trend or reverses into a new trend. Let's see example of sideways trend. A sideways price trend is also commonly known as a horizontal trend. We hope you all understand sideways trend.